Hello friends, welcome to the series Glimpses of 75 members of Constituent Assembly. In this particular episode, we will see the personality Kala Venkata Rao. He was born on 7 July 1900 in Mukammala, that is present day Andhra Pradesh. He started studying for BA at Maharaja College but then shifted to Nobel College, Machilipattam. Inspired by the call of Mahatma Gandhi, he boycotted his education and participated in non-cooperation movement. He had organized salt satyagraha movement in the East Godavari district. He was elected to Constituent Assembly from Madras constituency on a Congress party ticket. He spoke on various issues like right to property. He spoke what was a zamindari system. We'll just see. 10 September 1949, quote, I may particularly point out to you, sir, and the honorable members, that clause 4 and 6 of this amendment refer to a particular species of property, namely zamindari property. I really feel that the word property should not be applied to this particular species at all, because when the sanad was granted in 1802 or earlier than that in Bengal, when the permanent settlement was introduced, the sanad gave right to zamindars to collect the rent only. Therefore, the belief that zamindars have got a right to property in this business is far from the truth. It is a well-known maxim that nobody can confer on someone what he does not himself possess. From the time immemorial, the tradition and the law of this country has been that tiller of the soil or the society of which he has been a member is owner of the village or a particular holding. Therefore, when only the right to collect rent was conferred on zamindar, it can never be said that a kind of property was conferred upon this gentleman because of the grantee himself had no proprietary right in that land. So this is what he said about the zamindari system. We are thankful for his contribution in the making of the Constitution of India. Thank you.